Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Dunkin Donuts app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To use the Dunkin Donuts app, what you need to do first is head over to your app store, then on the search bar type in Dunkin Donuts app, and once that search list loads, tap on the app and then tap on get button to simply download the app. Now once downloaded, simply tap on open, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account and then add funds using a credit or debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay or PayPal. You can also purchase or reload a Dunkin gift card as well. Now once all that's done, all you gotta do is select the items that you want to order, and then once you are there, select your nearest Dunkin location and then browse through the menu to add your items to the cart. Then choose pickup method, walk-in or drive-through or curbside, then tap on checkout and pay using your saved payment method. Pick up your order at the selected location. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.